Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Meenakshi the Vlogger. Thank you so much for your support and love. Please ऐसे ही प्यार and support देते रहिए मुझे और मेरी चैनल को. Well, today we are going to the party destination of India. या ये आप सबको पता है. Yes, we are going to Goa. I'm really excited about this trip as we are going to Goa by road and after a long time, especially like after this COVID pandemic lockdown, and this will be going to be first trip after this lockdown. So अब हम नाइस रोड पहुँच गए हैं. This नाइस रोड connects to Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai highway. So we will be following this highway till Hubli, and there will be taking left turn towards Dawad. So on the way of highway, we stopped couple of times just to have some break, short break, tea breaks, lunch break, to have some relaxation because we are sitting in a car for so long, many hours. So you can also pick and choose for your right eatery from break. छोटे छोटे ढाबे आपको मिलेंगे, छोटे छोटे some sort of टी स्पॉट्स मिलेंगे जहाँ आप अपना ब्रेक ले सकते हो रास्ते में. So on the way we will be going through Ramnagar Wildlife Sanctuary. After that we will reach Panji, Goa. So we'll be at our destination soon, roughly 11 hours. The total distance will be from Goa around 570 kilometers. So ये जो आप अभी जो देखेंगे हम लोग एक वाइल्ड सेंचुरी से जो मैं आपको बता रही थी रामनगर. So this is the way when we are going through that way to reach Panji. So it really looks so excited to see jungle, all the way. हर तरफ देखो. हाँ, डेफिनेटली हम लोग एनिमल्स नहीं देखेंगे अभी. So अब नाइट हो गया है, तो अभी भी हम इसी रोड पे हैं बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग वे टू गो. बट हमारा जो डेस्टिनेशन है वो आने ही वाला है और एक्साइटमेंट थोड़ा और बढ़ने वाला है बिकॉज फर्स्ट ट्रिप है और हॉलीडे भी है बड़े दिनों बाद. So finally we have reached our destination, La Grace Resort, which is at Benolium, South Goa. So I'll give you a tour of La Grace in a while. So I'll show you how property looks like. So this is a restaurant where you can sit, you can go with the family, you can eat your this thing. Now we are entering our apartment. Apartment. This is a 2 BHK apartment. So they have the options of 3 BHK as well. So but we wanted to see 2 BHK because we are only 4-5 people. You can accommodate 5 people in this 2 BHK because they have 2 bedrooms. So here you can see a bedroom. So there's another bedroom. He just cleaning, सब कुछ set कर रहा है यहाँ पे. So this is your bed. You can relax. So ये कुछ fish बना रखी है. So it's our stuff, and this is a washroom that is attached with one bedroom. So you will get another washroom that is somewhere outside. It's a clean. So we are going to now open another one. This is a villa. They have 2 options, apartment and villa. So we'll show you. This is 3 BHK villa option. So let's switch on the lights first. So it should be visible like clearly. मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूँगी. दिस इज़ अ लॉबी, ड्राइंग रूम. सो सोफ़ा सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. सो टीवी इज़ देयर, योर डाइनिंग टेबल इज़ देयर. सो यू विल फील अ होमली, यू विल नॉट फील दैट यू आर समवेयर आउट एंड सम. सो कम. सो हमारा जो कैमरा मैन है वो कहीं और फोकस कर रहे हैं. अभी उनको बोलना पड़ रहा है, हमें फोकस करें. सो दिस इज़ अ किचन. यू विल सी fridge small. There are dustbins, you can keep it here. Electrical kettles, all cutlery and everything, सब कुछ है यहाँ पे. सो आप यहाँ पे खाना भी बना सकते हैं. दैट ऑप्शन इज़ ओपन. इट्स अ कॉमन बाथरूम फॉर ऑल. सो वी आर स्टिल इन ग्राउंड फ्लोर ऑफ विला. सो यहाँ पे एक बेडरूम है. सो लेट्स स्विच ऑन द लाइट फर्स्ट तो आपको दिखेगा. दिस इज़ अ 1 बेड room. So let's check closet. सो ये क्लोजेट, अब यहाँ सामान अपना रख सकते हैं. जैसे मैंने कहा, यू विल फील होमली हियर. So there will be no change kind of. Let's go up now. Let's see up. There will be, you know, bedrooms over there. So first, this is the common bathroom here also. So you can see. So now we'll go to the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. One bed. This is the second bedroom. And but in a upper floor, this is a one bedroom. Okay, let's switch on the light so you can see in the room as well. So I'll show you. Let me check how bed is. Fluffy. So यहाँ पे भी आपको क्लोजेट मिलेगा और है यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे बाहर बालकनी है जो अटैच्ड है बेडरूम के साथ. सो विल गो ना आउट एंड सी. सो आपको यहाँ से व्यू मिलेगा. विद इन रिजॉर्ट व्यू है, बट यू कैन सी द पीस ऑफ दैट रिजॉर्ट. सो इट्स ऑल ग्रीनरी. यू कैन हैव कॉफ़ी टी, अपनी फैमिली के साथ बैठ सकते हैं. सो यू कैन हैव अ रिलैक्सेशन. यू कैन सिट विद योर पार्टनर. यू कैन हैव रोमांटिक टाइम ऑल्सो. So there's coconut plants here. Let's go inside. We'll go to another. This is another washroom here. So we'll go to the another bedroom. This is second bedroom on first floor. So you can see there's a attached balcony here also. So both of the way you will get the views, like front and back end of the villa. This is the front balcony. Let's go inside and see. So you'll see here, this is also like you'll feel green and all that stuff. And this is all interior in the room of villa. So now this is a common terrace for the villa, where you can, you know, plan for a lunch, dinner, anything, any party, any small party, any family party. So if you are like for the duration of more than 2 days or somewhere like that, so you can have any. So you have a lot of options in this villa for a party itself. So this is how this villa looks like. So we're going back down. So third option, what we see is there's a single rooms here. It's next to the restaurant. So you can opt for this. So let's see the what ambience the La Grace resorts have. You can see the pool over there, but usually in this COVID they are not allowing, as per the, you know, the instructions. We can't take. So they have just closed the school for some time, till the time we will be through this COVID pandemic. This is a 360 degree of I'm showing. These are the villas you can see outside of the villa. This is totally beautiful. I can't even, you know, express how I tell you. But if you have any plans to, you know, to stay in South Goa, sit with your family. There are lovely food you will get every morning in breakfast. That's all inclusive. That's the best part they have. You will have Punjabi khana, you will have South khana, you will have non-veg khana, you will have for kids also. So this is a bar, but it is not open right now at the pool. This is the restaurant. This is the kid zone. This is the one another restaurant. You can sit here. This is I'm showing you the pictures inside of the restaurant. This is the reception.
Hi, Mr. Sanda. Happy
And
Christmas.
this is
He's the chef, special chef.
Chef Abu is
you can sit here, you can order. It's not that only the breakfast. So this is a 24/7 hours open restaurant they have. So you can you know, call them from the room as well. This is the reception. You can see how lovely they have, you know, the interiors. I'm just doing the walk through in the resort. They have the beautiful, like, you know, the scenery in house in the resort. So like the kids, you know, when they see these kind of cartoons also, like they feel very happy. They have activities, kids activities inside. This is the main gate from out to come inside in the resort. So it's a beautiful, you should, if you're planning for this, they have the options 2 BHK, 3 BHK villa, all with car parking you have. So, and the best part is that they have, you know, this resort is not far away from the beach. Can you see that there's a beach just 900 meters or 800 meters from the beach, and near beach they have two famous beaches, Banolium and Trinity Beach. You can see in my videos also. Kolva beach is also there, Sambetam beach is there, so Banolium beach and Trinity beach, it's just near to this resort. Thank you so much for watching me and my channel. Videos keep supporting. Thank you so much.